Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at 3 10 out of 10 biotech stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and happy Friday. Today we're taking a look at 3 stocks in the biotech sector that all score a perfect 10 on the Tip Ranks Smart Score. That is a data-driven score that looks at 8 unique factors and measures a stock's likelihood to outperform the overall market. On top of their score they also have a strong buy consensus from Wall Street analysts and price targets that would imply some double-digit upside potential. So today we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. I came across these stocks on the Tip Ranks Stock Screener. That, of course, is found right under the screener menu, and I put in a few filters today, including a 10 out of 10 smart score, upside potential of over 20%, and a strong buy consensus from Wall Street analysts, as well as the Tip Ranks AI analyst, and that gave us a list of companies below. You can check out the stock screener for yourself on the Tip Ranks website or right on the Tip Ranks mobile app. Links to download are in the description below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive right into our 3 perfect 10 biotech stocks. First up, we're taking a look at Alkermes. They trade under the ticker ALKS, currently priced above $34 per share. Overall, they're up 10.6% in the past year, and in the last 6 months are up 30%. They score a 10 out of 10 on the Tip Ranks Smart Score, and that includes some increased hedge fund activity, with hedge funds increasing their holdings by over 880,000 shares last quarter, along with very positive crowd wisdom. In the last 30 days, the amount of portfolios holding the stock has gone up nearly 18%. Alkermes is a global biopharmaceutical company focused on neuroscience. They develop and commercialize innovative medicines for complex psychiatric and neurological disorders, including treatments for schizophrenia, bipolar I disorder, opioid dependence, alcohol dependence, and emerging candidates for conditions like narcolepsy and idiopathic hypersomnia. They're headquartered in Ireland with key operations in Massachusetts and Ohio, and focus on addressing unmet needs in serious mental illness, addiction, and related areas through proprietary drugs and patient-centered science. They'll be sharing their Q4 earnings report in just a couple of weeks on February 12th. This follows their third quarter back at the end of October, where they came out with a solid earnings and revenue beat, plus increased their full-year guidance. Earnings per share came in at 68 cents, which was 31 cents ahead of analyst expectations, while revenue climbed to $394.2 million, climbing a few percent year over year and beating by nearly $38 million. They raised their full year 2025 guidance, expecting total revenues of $1.43 to $1.49 billion. They also announced the proposed acquisition of Avadel Pharmaceuticals and saw their Vitruvil net sales reach $121 million. Back in November, we did hear from a 5-star analyst at Truist who increased their price target. They noted positive Vibrance-2 results materially de-risk the alixorexton program, supporting a higher probability of success and stronger estimates. Cross-trial comparisons show alixorexton outperforming oveporexton in NT2, and the added split dosing regimen in Phase 3 could further enhance efficacy, with Takeda management viewing the program as credible competitive pressure. The Alkermes stock does have 14 current analyst ratings and comes in as a strong buy with 12 buys and 2 holds. The average price target is about $46 per share, implying an upside potential of 34%. Looking at those recent price targets down below, they range from an upside of 7.5% to an upside of 68%. Second on the list today is Argenx. They trade under the ticker ARGX, currently priced at $835 per share. Their stock has climbed 29% overall in the past year, and in the last 3 months has cooled off slightly, up 3.5%. They score a 10 out of 10 on the Tip Ranks Smart Score, also with increased hedge fund activity and positive crowd wisdom, along with very bullish new sentiment. Argenx is another global biopharmaceutical company, but their focus is immunology. They pioneer innovative antibody-based therapies for severe autoimmune diseases and rare conditions. Their flagship product, Vyvgart, is the first-in-class FcRn blocker approved for gMG in numerous countries, with expansions in indications like CIDP and ongoing trials in areas such as ITB, myositis, and more. Through their immunology innovation program and proprietary antibody engineering, they built a deep pipeline. At the end of October, they came out with an earnings beat plus record-breaking revenue and growth, as well as reaffirmed their full-year guidance. Earnings per share of $5.18 beat expectations by 69 cents per share, while revenue climbed to $1.13 billion, which was a 95% year-over-year increase, and beat estimates by $90 million. Their pre-filled syringe launch is driving increased demand, with over 50% of new patients starting on it, helping expand their prescriber base, and they now have 3 first-in-class molecules in phase 3 development. Earlier in January, the company announced the FDA's acceptance for a priority review of a supplemental biologics license application for Vyvgart for the treatment of adults with a specific myasthenia gravis. The application has been granted a Prescription Drug User Fee Act target action date of May 10th. Following that, on January 20th, we did hear from a 5-star analyst at Wells Fargo who increased their price target. They raised their 2026 to 2030 Vyvgart estimates by 5 to 15% and highlighted fiscal 2026 consensus estimate of $5.6 billion as too low given the current growth trajectory. They estimate $6.5 billion, assuming single-digit quarter-over-quarter growth in Q1 and low double-digit quarter-over-quarter growth in Q2 to Q4. The Argenx stock has 19 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy with 16 buys and 3 holds. The average price target of $1,046 implies an upside potential of 25%. Looking at those analyst price targets down below, on the low end we do have a hold rating here with an upside of 7.7%, while our high-end price target does come from Wells Fargo with an upside of over 57%. If you've made it all the way to our third stock today, then do me a favor and make sure you've hit that thumbs up button. Last on the list, we're looking at Rigel Pharmaceuticals. They trade under the ticker RIGL, currently priced at $34.30 per share. Their stock has gained 62% in this past year after jumping up last summer, and in the last 3 months is up 11%. They score a 10 out of 10 with once again increased crowd wisdom, slight increase on hedge fund activity, very bullish news sentiment, and positive fundamentals and technicals. Rigel is a commercial stage biotech company discovering, developing, and commercializing novel small molecule therapies, primarily for hematologic disorders or blood-related conditions and cancer. Their FDA-approved products include Tavalisse, which is an oral SYK inhibitor for chronic ITP, Rezlidhia for relapsed refractory acute myeloid leukemia, and Gavreto, an RET inhibitor for certain RET fusion-positive lung and thyroid cancers. They maintain an active pipeline with key focus on R289 in Phase 1b for lower-risk MDS, plus collaborations with companies like Eli Lilly. They also came out with a big earnings beat for their third quarter at the start of November, along with record revenue and net product sales. Third quarter earnings per share of $1.46 beat estimates by 56 cents per share. Revenue climbed 25% year over year to $69.5 million. The company also raised their 2025 revenue guidance to be between $285 to $290 million. Following that earnings report, we heard from an analyst at Jefferies who, you guessed it, increased their price target. They noted the company's Q3 product sales beating expectations and the company raising their total 2025 net product sales guidance to $225 to $230 million. The firm cited strong commercial execution, positive cash flow, and room for potential business development for its upgrade. Rigel Pharmaceutical does just have 4 current analyst ratings, but comes in as a strong buy with 3 buys and 1 hold. And an average price target of $52 implies an upside potential of 52%. Looking at those price targets down below, on the low end we do have a hold rating with an upside of 11%, while on the high end we have an analyst at Citi who has an upside of 107%. So that is a quick look at 3 stocks in the biotech sector, all with a 10 out of 10 on the TipRank Smart Score and with a strong buy consensus from Wall Street. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and which one catches your eye the most. I also appreciate your patience as I struggled through pronouncing some of those medical terms, but we made it through. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. Make sure you're doing your own research and due diligence. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.